Parts of Gia Gunn. I am feeling my outs. Hello, everybody. It's Cindy again. Guess what day it is? Got my Ipsy today. I'm excited. I love this look going on me. This is all mostly done with all the BoxyCharm products I got yesterday. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thanks for stopping on by. I normally do unboxing videos. I do plan on eventually expanding that. Hopefully I've got some new content soon. For those of you who this is not their first time at the rodeo, thanks for coming back. Or I forget, I also now have a playlist if you want to check out some of the other Ipsy videos, unboxings I've done. I also have a BoxyCharm playlist. How are you people doing? Are you guys having a good summer? I don't know. I feel like I'm not really getting outside much because of my stupid ankle, but well, I still look good today. Well, I'm ready. You're ready. Let's go. Nearly cut my toe off last night when I was doing my BoxyCharm unboxing with this thing. I gotta be careful. They really probably shouldn't let me have anything sharp and pointy. Here we go. Ready? Oh, this yellow thing must be a new thing for them because it used to be blue. I wonder if this yellow is going to be here to stay. I thought that was just going to be something for Tetris because it matched the Tetris-y colors that they had out there, but either that or maybe they're trying to use it up. This month's theme is Dive In, so we've got clearly a summer pool theme going on here. It says summer is in full swing. Let's soak it up with dewy skin, beach babe waves, and shimmering budge-proof makeup looks guaranteed to keep those chill poolside vibes going all month long. Well, maybe they can actually give me a waterproof mascara that's actually waterproof. Can we talk about the El Maquillage disaster? My Il Maquillage decided to meltiage off my face in the middle of rush hour traffic. It wasn't a pleasant experience. When mascara attacks, that's all I can say. I have, my first product that I pulled out is the Yensa Tone Up Primer Essential Glow 8 Super Blacks Essence. What does that mean? Essence. Anybody ever seen Dr. Strangelove? This is the Yensa Tone Up Primer. I have quite a few primers already, so it might be a while before I open this. That's why it says the 8 Super Blacks Essence has black sesame oil, because you know regular sesame oil just won't do, you know. Black seaweed, black tea, shiitake mushroom, which is also very black, black rice, Korean black raspberry. Well, I'm glad that they, specified what type of black raspberry it is. Nettle. Ooh, nettle's going to make your face sting, won't it? Doesn't it plump up your face or something? I think it's got stingers in it. And chia seed. So primer is the new black? I don't know. Oh, it gives you a subtle sheen. So it's more of a glowy primer. They are also recommending you can skip the makeup altogether and use the primer as a final step to your skincare routine. So also makes me think that it must have a lot of hydrating ingredients. Although, yeah, reading off that list, I'm guessing it's got to. I am a little bit concerned though, because y'all know how sensitive my skin can be. I wonder if any of those ingredients might set it off, but hopefully it won't. It looks nice. It'll probably also be a while before I actually open it. Next in here is, and I am a little bit worried about this because last time I had anything from this brand, it kind of made me break out and I had to give it away. But it is the Perlis Matcha Green Tea Priming Moisturizer. This is what it looks like. It's a lightweight oil-free water cream and it primes skin for makeup. I'm not going to open it, but this is what it looks like. Oh, and before I forget, the Yensa Tone Up Primer Essential Glow is $35. No way. So this is the Yensa and the creator is Jennifer Yen, and apparently She was on the Power Rangers. I don't think it was the original one, because if I'm thinking of who it, like the original ones, I didn't really watch the original one. My little brother liked the Power Rangers, and that's the only, real reason I watched it. Plus, the guys were kind of cute. We all know that the original Power Ranger might have been a tinge racist. I don't know if you would consider it that, but we all know that the Red Ranger was Hispanic, and the Black Ranger was black, and the Yellow Ranger was Asian. And I know for a fact that it must be a ranger from a different time, because I know that the Yellow Ranger that was in the first one, I think died in a car accident. I know she died really young, and it was kind of sad. So I know it can't be that Yellow Ranger. That's somebody creating makeup products from the dead, and I don't think that's going on. Zombie skincare, how about that? I could see the Living Dead doing something like that, though. You know what? Wasn't there a zombie skincare? Am I thinking of this? Was there a zombie makeup of some sort? This former Power Rangers villainess. Oh, the villainess. Was she Rita? Was she Rita in the original one? Now I'm gonna have to look this up. Yes, I watched it. I mean, I didn't watch it regularly. I watched it again because my brother watched it, but I remember it. I remember her name, Rita. Her Power Rangers villainess, Jennifer Yen, channels her passion for the time-tested Asian skincare rituals into a results-driven, multitasking skincare line safe for sensitive skin. Okay, well, I hope it's safe for sensitive skin, because the last Pearlesce Blue Lotus lotion I tried made me scale up real badly. Oh, if you're gonna make those claims, you better be able to back them up, Jenny. Apparently, green tea helps protect from fine lines and wrinkles. I don't know if I believe that. Maybe if you drink it, I don't know. It's got white tea, vitamin E, and French marine plants. The value of the Pearlesce matcha green tea antioxidant priming moisturizer is $45. Okay, this is a repeat. I've gotten this before, and in fact, I also have a sample size back in my spares drawer. But I've got the It Superhero mascara. Now, this is not waterproof, but I gotta tell you, it wasn't bad, and I enjoyed it a lot. It usually had some pretty long wear on me. Now, I was wearing it in winter, which usually could be a really bad dry eye time for me. But I don't remember tearing up a lot with it, so it might have also been that I didn't really get to put it to the test. But I got this, I think, back in the November BoxyCharm, and I used it. I used it up until the end. To get a second one, again, I wish that they had like guarantee that it was like waterproof, and I know that it has smudged under my eyes before, but for the most part, it's actually, for a non-waterproof mascara, pretty good. It's nice that I got at least a mascara that I know that I like. It Cosmetics Superhero mascara is valued at $24. So let's go ahead and go for this. Oh, that's interesting and weird. I don't know how to feel about that. I didn't realize how it looks like a lava lamp. Oh, that's why, because it's got argan oil in it. It looks almost like micellar water. I have the Pixie Glow Mist. It says it has propolis, probably. The correct pronunciation is propolis. With propolis and argan oil. It's a nourishing mist. Oh, is that a way that you can put more moisturizer on your face? It's an all-over face mist for a glowing, luminous, and smooth complexion. After makeup sets, adds a dewy finish, and protects. Well, I can't imagine when you've got oil, this much oil in it, that it's going to set makeup. I'd be more worried that it's going to take makeup off, but I don't know. You can look at how oily it is. It looks like a freaking lava lamp. I mean, look at this stuff. But of course, it has that characteristic Pixie light green. What is with me? The minute I start trying to use a green screen, all these places come up with all these green products. This is probably also going to look weird. I don't know. I mean, it's nice to get another setting spray. I guess it's kind of cool that you might be able to use it as like a moisturizer. So this is definitely a very skincare heavy box to me. It's formulated with 13 natural essential oils, and it has rose, flower, and lavender. Ooh, hopefully that doesn't like break me out. Oh, it says you can use it on your hair too. That's beautiful. It's giving me a tip of misting it on my skin and hair and neck throughout the day for a refreshing pick-me-up. Yeah, that probably won't be happening, just to let you know. And I'm assuming you shake it up. Oh, that's actually not too bad. Maybe I'll try it on. Oh, actually that is very nice. That is very nice and refreshing. It has a very citrusy, clean, I think I smell like lemon, but I almost smell like a little bit of mint in there too. I don't know if that's the right scent, but there's definitely a citrusy, nice citrusy, fresh scent to it. So it's not bad. It's really not that bad. Okay, now I am more excited about using this, and that I actually like the fine mist of it. The Pixie by Petra Glow Mist is $15. Finally, I have the Huda Beauty or Huda Beauty. I think it's Huda, but most people say Huda Beauty. So I'm just glad I'm not saying Huda Booty, although I just did it there. So, 3D highlighter palette. Another highlighter, please. I mean, I know I like Huda Beauty, but I don't need another highlighter palette. 3D highlighter palette, and it's in pink sand. It has prep, set, sculpt, and fluff. I think this is supposed to be a contour palette then. That's what it sounds like. Okay, so this is what the insert looks like. It's kind of cool. It's kind of cool packaging. It's fun. Well, now I don't know why you would sculpt with this color, because I would think that you would sculpt with this color instead of this color. Dab Santori from cheek to temple to set and bring out the pop. Yeah, that seems like the brightest one. Sculpt. It says to apply it under the cheekbones to add dimension and shape. And I don't think I would use that color to sculpt with. Just saying. And then, of course, this is the blush. This looks very pretty. I just don't know if I'm going to actually use it. Oh, that's cool. I just now noticed that with the packaging. Do you see that? It like shines. That's cool. I don't know if I'd be using that as a base. The sand. So this is the main highlighter I think that you're supposed to use. Child, look at that. Okay, and here's the one that they say you should sculpt with. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to be sculpting with that, but all right. So we've got the other one. I mean, I guess it's darker. I don't think I'm going to be using that to sculpt with, though. And then a nice highlighting blush or glowy blush here. That's pretty. I mean, that would just make you look like a freaking disco ball, you know what I mean? If you just use this all over the place. It's worth $45. My first impression of this, if I were to compare it to the box this month, BoxyCharm is winning. I'll say that right now. Not that I'm not excited to try another Huda Beauty product, but it's a highlighter palette, and I just don't need any more highlighters. I don't think there's anything shocking about a highlighter that's gonna change my life or my world. Maybe I will try their whole thing here and do the whole contouring with highlighters that they're advocating here. I'm probably just getting to this point where like I've had so many subscription boxes that stuff's starting to repeat. I'm probably getting more makeup products than I really need. At this point in time, like I was freaking out about it for a while, and I think I am going through that period where I'm like freaking out maybe a little bit on how many products I've used, but At the same time, it is nice to be able to try different products and figure out, like, have you figure out what you really like and what you don't. Because if you're still using something, even after you've gotten all these other products, then that's kind of a key that it's a real winner for you. But at the same time, it's also a lot to keep up with, a lot to organize, and then a lot to declutter. And then some things, if you open them and you don't use them all, like things like lipsticks, mascaras, some people might be okay with using mascaras that you've only used once or twice, but most people probably aren't going to be down with you giving them your opened lipsticks. Hope I'm not getting product burnout. Now, it will be nice to try this moisturizer. Hopefully it doesn't do what the last Pearlesque moisturizer did to me. This is a repeat for me, but you know what? This is not too bad of a repeat. I'm sure I will use it and get some use out of it. It's nice to get setting sprays because I do go through them quite a bit. To be honest, it's not the best box for me. Am I excited to get these products? I was probably more excited by my add-ons, honestly, this month than I was for this. But there are some very usable products here. If somebody had bundled this into a grouping, put it on like Ulta or the Ipsy shopper or Sephora in a bundle or something and said, you know, all of these things would have been on sale for $25, which is the price of the Ipsy box, would I have purchased it? Probably not. I probably would have walked away from this one. So I don't want to judge these products before I have a chance to use them. I have to see what next month offers. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to give me a big thumbs up. If you're new here and you have not subscribed yet, please feel free to do so. And if you do, go ahead and click on that notification bell. It'll let you know whenever I put up my new content. And you can follow me on Instagram, which it will also be listed here, but also down in the description. And Twitter, I'm not as active on Twitter. Maybe I need to be more active on Twitter. I don't know. That has been my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing for the month of July 2019. Have a great day, evening, weekend, whenever you are watching this. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye.